Okay, so edc18 literally just falls out of its deal. Fw21 sucks. Like, I had to use two hands and swearing to get that out. So, don't care. Don't care. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a lot heavier than that one. The tail cap is copper. Oh, that's pretty. Sweet. And then, I don't know if you've seen an edc18 or not. It's got this, which is pretty cool, but it fell out quite quickly, and my dad lost it already. So I don't feel that that's particularly. Got a condom on it. Yeah, I remember that. You pull the condom off it. You see, like, I'm just going to get a little circular neodymium magnet from Slamazon and just JB weld that bitch on there. It's basically the same. It feels like an FW4A. No, not 4A. My other copper light there, whatever that one is. But it's a little bit fatter and shorter. Switch is, well, this switch is actually a little bit better than the one on my dad's. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go put this on my W4 and get these out of their packages and go do some beam shots.